In 9 months, I turned this abandoned $160,000 18-room apartment building with no tenants and no income into an $800,000 property with huge passive cash flow. Here is how I did it. I cleared some space in one corner of the room I am staying in to start painting. I talked with a few friends to get advice on a color. I figured I would paint the wall in this corner to see if I liked the color. Hey everyone, March 25th, here we are. Just starting with the paint. I've already done the trim and around the pot lights. And now I'm just getting ready to rock and roll. So let's see how it turns out. I hope the colors are nice. See you soon. Before we get to paint color selection, here's a look inside a few of the rooms. They're all basically the same size and have the same furniture. They definitely need a facelift. Painting, replace some furniture. It would be nice to have a kitchen and a place to sit looking out the window while enjoying a coffee in the morning. The washrooms are a bit funky, but maybe okay once the ceiling, floor, and the leaks are fixed. Going to be some work there, looks like. I can't find a color that I like. You can see I have 3 different colors on the wall behind me. And the paint chips don't seem to be the same once I put it on the wall. I'm not sure if it's because of the floor. The color of the floor is causing a contrast. I don't know, but it's pretty frustrating. So all I can do is try again and pick another color and see what happens. But I hope I get the right one soon. My next shade maybe is some kind of taupe. I didn't want anything quite as dramatic as the goldy color, and the cream in the middle is too neutral, and the gray is a little depressing. So let's see what I can find. But paint stores are closed today, so that means another day I have to wait. But let's see what happens today. Anyway, stay tuned. No thanks to the painter thieves. There was damage to the awning because they were walking on it. First, I punched up the spots that were caved in. Then, I added new screws to fasten the awning back down. After the repairs, I used my pressure sprayer and my triple extension ladder to clean the top of the awning to prepare it for painting. Unfortunately, the only way to access the awning was to crawl under and sometimes through the electrical wires on the street. I used a towel to help insulate myself from a shock, especially since I was sweating and spraying water. But don't worry, I made sure I stopped before the streetlights came on.
Just hold me tight and don't let
After 5 color selections, I finally found the color that looked right and didn't clash with the floor color. It's called mastic in France, quite popular there. It's between a khaki and a taupe color, basically. Well, here we are, June 21st. We're working a little late tonight. We had to turn the lights on because we have some people moving in, believe it or not. They couldn't wait until we finished the rooms. So we're rushing to finish painting and prepare everything so things are working. But they won't get the final product, which is with all the extras and bonuses and stuff that come with the fancy room. So here we are, May 2nd. Looks like some kind of a birthday present, but not exactly, because it involves a lot of work to make the changes into what it's supposed to be. But it's been a bittersweet day today, that's all I can say. A little rough on the eyes.
Just hold me tight and don't let go.